is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor up to mid-lake until 6 o'clock p.m. or 7 o'clock p.m. Eastern Daylight Time at 4:57 p.m. Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm, capable of producing dangerous winds in excess of 50 knots, and large hail 9 nautical miles northwest of Wilmette Harbor, moving east at 25 knots. This severe thunderstorm will pass near Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, and Lake Michigan. From Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake. Mariners can expect gusty winds, large hail, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes.